Hi, my name's James Day and this is Aries Tao. We are coming to Melbourne on the 12th and 13th of February, thanks to Sony. We're bringing this workshop on the road and we're going to show you how we do what we do. We're realizing we have a lot in common with the way that we love to tell couple stories.
Yeah, I think every photographer is different. They all have their different way of doing so. I'm going to show you within the same location, even within the same couple, how you have different ways to deliver different look and feel to tell the story behind it and be creative and create your own style. That's what I'm going to do.
Absolutely. I want to help you unlock the secrets to really bringing out the best of the couple or the person that you're photographing. So I think between us, we've kind of got a bit of a winning combo there, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. We hope to see you in Melbourne, 12th and 13th. So the 2 one-day workshops.